Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you chapter 13, numerical based question speed. I have taken a question number 4, that is the distance between two stations is 240 km. A train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. Calculate the speed of the train. So this question solved through the speed question, that is the given. First thing, that solution is that is given distance between two stations. Distance between two stations. Distance between two stations, that is distance is equal to that is 240 kilometers. A train takes 4 hours to cover the distance, and time through that train is 4 hours. So calculate the speed. Speed is equal to what? We know that the formula of speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to what? So formula is speed equal to distance. Speed is equal to distance by time. So our distance is 240 kilometer and time taken, that is 4 hours. So that is cancel out to find, that is 60. So that speed is 60 kilometer per hour. So that speed is 60 kilometer per hour. So calculate of these question. We know that in previous classes I also discussed the formula of speed, the total distance by total time. So given the distance is 240 kilometer and time is given is 4 hours. So that is 4 6 24 and 0 taken, that is the 60 kilometer per hour. That is the unit of kilometer per hour. Now taken another question number 10. Question number 10, that is a car moves with a speed. A car moves with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour for 15 minutes, and then with a speed and then with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour for the next 15 minutes. the total distance covered by the car. The total distance covered by the car. So that solution is, that is given, that is a speed is given is equal to 40 kilometer per hour and time is given 15 minutes equal to, that unit is in kilometer per hour, that unit in minute. So that is change the unit in hour. First thing, be careful on the unit. Such unit in hour, such unit in minute. So change in that minute in hour. So that is 16 by 15 hour. That is time. T1 is equal to 15 by 16 hour. So that is 1 by 4 hour. That is time is 4 hour and that speed S1 is 40 kilometer. Now again that speed, that is say to S2 is equal to 60 kilometer per hour and now time T2 is also 115 minutes, that is equal to 1 by 4 hour. So what is the total distance covered by the car? We know that a speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to a speed into time. A speed into time. So that find the distance, that is d1 is equal to a speed in first case, that is the first case, that is 40 kilometer per hour and time is 1 by 4 hour. So hour and hour unit is cancel out and 4 10 ja 40. So that is the 10 kilometer. That distance travel when a speed is 40 kilometer per hour in 50 minutes, that is travel in 10 kilometer. Now distance d2 is equal to, that is a speed into time. So that is 60 kilometer per hour and 1 by 4 hour and hour cancel out, that is 4 15 ja 60. So that distance is 15 kilometer. So total distance travel by car is d1 plus d2, that is 10 kilometer plus 15 kilometer equal to, that is 25 kilometer. So now solve the all numerical question to this types. Okay, thank you.